I read a quote today. I keep thinking about it again and again.
Really? What quote is that?
It says, if you have one fish and it dies, you feel sad all day. But if you have a whole pond, some fish die, and you don't even notice.
That's interesting.
But also a bit strange.
Why strange?
It sounds like we should care less. Like we should not feel too much.
I understand why you think that, but I don't think that's the message.
Then what is it?
I think it's about how we build our life.
Our life?
Yes, it's about what we depend on.
I don't get it yet.
Let me explain in a simple way. Some people build their whole life on one thing.
One thing?
Yes, only one.
Like what?
Like love, or their job, or one goal.
Oh, I see.
So that one thing becomes everything.
And if they lose it,
Yes, they lose everything.
that's scary.
It is.
So the one fish means that?
Exactly. The fish is that one thing.
And the pond?
The pond means you have many things in your life.
Many things. Like what?
Many parts of who you are.
Like different identities?
Yes, that's right.
Identity. That sounds deep.
It is simple if you think about it. Ask yourself, who are you?
I don't know. I am a friend. I am a daughter. I am a student.
Good. That's already many parts.
But some people only see one part, right?
Yes. For example, I am my job.
Yeah, I know people like that.
Or I am a good partner.
Yes.
So when that job is gone,
They feel lost.
when that relationship ends,
They feel broken.
exactly.
So the problem is not losing something. It's having only one thing.
That's the key idea.
Wow, that's powerful.
Strong people build many parts.
What do you mean?
They learn new skills. They take care of their body. They build good habits. They have different goals. They connect with different people.
So their life is bigger.
Yes, much bigger.
But do they feel less pain?
No, they still feel pain.
Then what is different?
They don't fall apart.
That sounds strong.
Because when one part breaks, they still have other parts.
Like the pond.
Exactly.
So the goal is not to care less. The goal is to build more.
Yes, that's a very important idea.
Let me think. If someone only lives for love, one breakup can destroy them.
That's right.
But if they have many things, they still feel sad, but they can continue.
Yes, they can stand again.
I like that.
Life is not about avoiding loss. Loss will always happen.
So we should prepare for it?
Not exactly prepare, but build a strong base.
A strong base.
Yes, many identities.
Like, I am someone who learns. I am someone who trains. I am someone who creates.
That's perfect.
So even if I lose one thing, I still know who I am.
Yes, you don't lose yourself.
That feels safe.
Not safe, strong.
Strong. I like that more.
Because safety can break, strength can stand.
Wow. This quote is not about fish at all.
No, it's about you.
About how I build my life.
Yes,
So from now on, I should not just be one thing.
exactly. Don't be only one identity. Build many.
So when one part falls, I still have other parts to stand on.
That's the idea.
Thank you, Dain. Now the quote makes sense.
Good. And remember one thing.
What is it?
Don't try to feel less. Try to become more.
Become more. I will remember that.